Hi guys, you all are welcome to Ajni Career Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about some important question of horticulture which are very important for agriculture MPSC as well as for IBPS AFO. So without wasting our time, let's start this video. Question number 12 is Varsha Upvar is variety of. What is question? Varsha Upvar is variety of. Option for this question are number A okra, number B cabbage, number C chili and number D cowpea. I will give you only 5 seconds to solve this question in your mind. After it, I will answer this question. So, your time start now. Option are okra, cabbage, chili, cowpea. The right answer for this question is number A, okra. Now, question number 13. The question number 13 is the plant growth hormone which help in enlarging the grapefruit. The plant growth hormone which help in enlarging the grapefruit is. Option for these questions are abscisic acid, gibberellic acid, cytokinin and option number D ethylene. So your time start now. So the right answer for this question is option number B, gibberellic acid. What is answer? Gibberellic acid. So the question number next. The next question, that is question number 14, is quinoa is basically a. What is question? Quinoa is basically a. Option for this question are number A tangerine, number B tango, number C mandarin and number D citrange. So question is quinoa is basically option A tangerine, option B tango, option C mandarin and option D is citrange. The correct answer for this question is option number C, that is mandarin. We always publish such type of question on our YouTube channel. So if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to press bell icon. Whenever I will publish such type of information on my YouTube channel, it will be automatically informed to you through this notification. So don't forget to press bell icon. So now we will see the next question, that is question number 15. The question number 15 is redness. What the redness in apple is due to? Option for this question are option number A anthocyanin, option number B lycopene, option number D xanthophyll. So the right answer you have to give in your mind. After it, I will give you the correct answer. So what is question? Question is redness in apple is due to. So which is responsible for redness in apple? So option are anthocyanin, carotene, xanthophyll. The right answer of this question must be option number A, that is anthocyanin. Means anthocyanin is responsible for redness in apple. After it, the question number 16. So what is question number 16? Let's see. The question number 16 is best method of vegetative propagation in amla is. What is question? Best method of vegetative propagation in amla. The option for this question are veneer grafting, air layering, chip budding, option number D patch budding. I will give you 5 seconds. Your time start now. So what is your answer? Option number A veneer grafting, option number B air layering, option number C chip budding or option number D patch budding. The right answer of this question is option number D patch budding. Means in amla the vegetative propagation through patch budding is done. Means best method is patch budding in amla for vegetative propagation. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel, as we always publish such type of question on our YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. So now we will see question number 17. The question number 17 is in front of you. Question number 17 is vegetative parthenocarpy is found in. What is question? Vegetative parthenocarpy is found in. Option are number A grape, number B banana, number C fig and number D seedless guava. So you have to answer it in your mind. After it I will give its final answer or correct answer. So what will be your answer? Number A grape, B banana, C fig, or D seedless guava. Vegetative parthenocarpy is found in. So correct answer for this question is option number B banana. Means in banana vegetative parthenocarpy is found. Where vegetative parthenocarpy is found? Out of these four, in banana. So question number 18. The next question is question number 18, that is Central Institute of Subtropical Horticulture is located at. What is question? Central Institute of Subtropical Horticulture is located at. Option for this question is number A Lucknow, number B Bhopal, number C Bangalore, and number D Jodhpur. You have to answer this question within 4 to 5 seconds. What will be answer? Lucknow. It may must be Bhopal. There is some spelling mistake in option number B. It is Bhopal. So option number B is Bhopal, option number C is Bangalore, and option number D is Jodhpur. The correct answer for this question is option number A Lucknow. Means Central Institute of Subtropical Horticulture located at Lucknow. Question number 19. Question number 19 is which of the following preservative is used for preservation of tomato ketchup? Which preservative used for preservation of tomato ketchup? So the option are potassium metabisulfate, option B is sodium benzoate, option C is sodium metabisulfate, and option D is citric acid. The correct answer for this question will be, please give in your mind. So the correct answer for this question means which of the following preservative is used for the preservation of tomato ketchup is option number B, that is sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate is as a preservative in tomato ketchup. Question number next, that is 20. Gladiolus is propagated by which method? Here method is asked. So option for this question are number A true seed, number B bulb, number C stem cutting, number D root. The correct answer for this question must be true seed, bulb, stem cutting, root. It is question number 20. Answer is option number B, that is bulb. Means bulb is gladiolus is propagated through bulbs. So question number 21. The 21 is in front of you, that is the Taj Garden of Agra, that is Taj Mahal is typical example of. Option for this question is Italian style of garden, number B Japanese style of garden, number C Indian style of garden, and number D Mughal style of garden. Your time start now. What is the answer of this question? So option number D, that is Mughal style of garden. Means Taj Mahal is typical example of Mughal style of garden. This is correct answer. So question number next, that is question number 22 is here. The leading Indian state in floriculture trade is. Option for this question are number A Uttar Pradesh, number B Punjab, number C Karnataka, and number D Maharashtra. So out of this, one answer is correct and 3 are false. You have to choose correct answer from these 4 options. So the leading state in floriculture in India. The final answer for this question is option number C, that is Karnataka. Means Karnataka is a leading state in India in floriculture trade. Where? In floriculture trade. Means in floriculture trade Karnataka ranked first. Means there is a large number of trading in Karnataka. The question number next, that is question number 23 is here. Seed constitute more than 50% of cost of production in the crop. Option for these questions are option number A tomato, number B potato, number C sugarcane, and number D hybrid sunflower. So first understand this question, that seed constitute more than 50% of cost of production in the crop. Means the seed have more than 50% production of the crop. So the option are tomato, potato, sugarcane, hybrid sunflower. The correct answer for this question is option number B, that is potato. Means potato is correct answer for this question. Now the next number question, that is question number 24, is in India the productivity of banana is highest in which state? Option for this question is number A West Bengal, number B Tamil Nadu, number C Kerala, and number D Maharashtra. You have to give correct answer of this question in your mind. After it, I will give correct answer. In India, the productivity of banana is highest in which state? Option A Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra. The correct answer is B Tamil Nadu. Question number 25, that is Rupa is an improved variety of which fruit? Rupa is improved variety of which fruit? Option is A lychee, B walnut, C pomegranate, and D guava. So the option are here, question is here, you have to give its answer. So the right answer for this question is option number D, guava. That is Rupa is the improved variety of guava. So this was a 25 question. Before it 12 question we have already completed in previous video. If you want to watch that video, then go then visit to my YouTube channel and search there horticulture important question. You will get here. Such type of question we always publish on this YouTube channel. See, if you are new, so if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. Don't forget to press bell icon, as whenever we will try to publish such type of question, you will get notification on time. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. We will see you in next video. Thank you.